Everybody, at first, again I am saying good morning, a very good morning to all of you. I hope all you are safe and fine. Welcome you to your online English class organized by Badwan Model School, and I am English ma'am with you now. Now let's see, those who are present kindly write down in the chat box P for present. Let's see how many are present now here. Okay? Okay. So, let's see. Those who are present kindly write down P for present. Anushka Gorai. Okay. Anushka Gorai, Debarpon Bhattacharya, Deeptangshu Ghosh, Moinul Haq, Pradipta Dotto, Shampad Malik, Shanendu Mukherjee. Okay, very good everybody. Okay, so now we will do okay, now students, I request all of you, everybody will give the grid view mode. That will be best for you to listening to me. Okay? So, today we will don't waste our time. Already we know A to Z writing. We know that. Now today we will do some activity related with these letters. Okay? Okay now, Acha, okay, can you tell me, am I audible and visible for everybody? Can you tell me everybody, am I audible and visible here? If yes, kindly write down yes. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. I am audible and visible, it is okay for me. Thank you, and everybody write down P for present. Okay? Then we will do start our English class. In the English copy, take out your English copy today. That means notebook. Okay? English notebook. We will take out this one at first. Okay, we will do the work with, do some not lot of noise. Okay, everybody kindly mute your microphone. Everybody are here, kindly, I'll just mute everybody's microphone, I'll mute here. So, kindly, I have a request, please don't unmute it. Today we will just do the board work. Okay, so no need to take out this one microphone and don't unmute it now. Okay, so it will be best now. Then you will also, the students, you will do one work with me. Guardians, kindly help the students. They will do the fill in the blanks. They will do fill in the blanks. Shomabho is not here. Somavo is here now. Okay, let's do. We will write down, fill in the blanks, fill in, put the heading, fill in. Guardians, kindly write down the heading for the students. Guardians, kindly write down the heading for the students, and they should put the classwork date, CW and date. 2, 4 and 21. 22/4/21 classwork date. In the English copy, everybody should put the classwork and date. Okay, students? So we will now do the activity. Fill in the blanks. We will do. I'll give the work to you. All you will one by one complete your work by yourself. Okay? So let's start. A dash C dash. Number 1 it is. Number 2 E. Okay, you will do at first line, thereafter I'll go with second line. You will complete the first line, A dash C dash. Okay, A dash C dash. A dash she dash. Okay, then E dash G dash. Number 2 E dash G dash. Okay, you will do that one also. E dash G dash. Number 3, complete your number 2. Thereafter I'll go with number 3. M. Number 3, M N dash dash. That means after M N 2 letters you will write down M N, thereafter dash dash. Okay? Dash dash. Okay, number, I'll give the number 4 here. Number 4. After number 3, we will write down number 4. P dash R dash. P dash R dash. Kindly everybody will mute their microphone. Okay. P dash R. Kindly everybody mute their microphone. Otherwise, the class how will go so nicely, students? I have a request to all the guardians. Kindly mute your microphone today because we will do the copy work today. Okay. Then number 5. U dash W dash. U dash W dash. So U dash W dash and last one we will do number 6 W dash Y dash. Complete the work today at first. Thereafter I will do it here. Okay? And one drawing part will be also here with you. Okay, I'm repeat from the beginning. Number 1, A dash C dash. Number 1, A dash C dash. Okay. Then number 2, E dash G dash. Number 2 again, E dash G dash. Okay. Next, number 3. Number 3 is M N dash dash. This is little bit different. M number 3, M N dash dash. Okay. Then with number 4. Number 4, P dash R dash. Number 4, P dash R dash. Okay. Then number 5, U dash W dash. U dash W dash. Okay. Then number 6, W dash Y dash. W number 6, W dash Y dash. Now you will complete your work. Thereafter I'll complete it here. You will send me the picture and I'll that time check it. And another work is there, a little bit drawing work. Okay, so you will complete the work quickly. Then you will send me the picture. Okay. also complete it now here. Okay, now let's see. A after B, we know that. No need to say here today. You will just complete in your copy work. C after we will do D. A, B, C, D. Okay? Thereafter number 2. E. E after F. E, F, G. After that H. H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Next. M, N. After that, N after O. O after P. Okay? Then P. P after A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S. Thereafter, U, V, W, and X. W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, students, you will complete this work. After that, I'll give a picture also you. This will be your homework. I'll just erase this one. Left side, I'll erase it here. Okay, now next we'll do the work just like this. A small circle, a big circle. Okay? A small circle and a big circle. We will also draw a small circle and a big circle. There you will put like this and a eye like this and this is a penguin baby, okay? This is a penguin baby. Penguin baby, you can also color with this. You will draw this one a big O and a small O and a big O, okay? Okay, let's see. Okay. Today's work, okay. Now maybe you can listen everything because already I'm muted everybody's microphone. Now you can't see the board also. Okay, let's see. Now I'll check the work at first. Thereafter I'll tell what to do. Okay. Next, Sean, who is there? Shawnendu. Shawnendu, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, M, N, O, P, Q, P, Q, R, S, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Shawnendu, your work is okay, very good. But your writing, D will be touch that third line. Okay, third line dash. D will touch. Okay, Q, that also touch third line dash. P after P is perfect. Q is little bit not perfect. Okay, O, P, O, K, Q and D. Okay. Next here, Rajonna. Okay, Rajonna, E, F, G, H, okay, P, Q, R, S. Okay, Rajonna, okay. Already checked your work, okay. Little bit W you will do neat and cleanly. Number 5, W, you will touch the second line. Last carp, that one you will touch second line. Otherwise, okay, work your. Okay, Yunus, your work, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yunus, your work is very good. Excellent work. Next, Meharika, E, F, G, H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, B, C, D. Okay, previous one work. Okay. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, I, J, K, L. Meharika, this work is not I'm given, beta. Now, today's work, it is fill in the blanks, it was written in the board already. Orchishman, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. G, it is small g, beta. Orchishman, you have to write down the capital G. M, N, O, P, P, Q, R. R is also small letter, beta. Small letter hobe na, eta capital korte hobe, okay? U capital. V, W also capital. X, W, X, Y, and some letters are here capital, you have to do, beta. Moinul, okay. Very good work, Moinul. Line neat and clean. Very good work. Next, C, D, E, F, M, N, P, Q, U, V, W, X. Deeptangshu, you are doing after letter, but this one I am also giving you Pradipta. Okay. E, F, G, H, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Pradipta, your Z, number 6. Z you will do just, otherwise your work is very good. Pradipta, just do that one, Z, do it quickly. Nishat, C is number 1, C is very little. Do it and using 3 line. R is also like that, but work is okay. Work is okay. Wow, Nishat, very good. You are writing. Yes, কিছু লিখতে পাচ্ছি না তো লিখবো কি করে শোমাবো then okay. Mute their videos. Okay. Let's see. Nishad work already. Nishad both work already. I'm checked here. Very good work. Okay. So today's work already I'm checked it here. Everybody's those who have sent me the work. Okay. Let's see how many have sent me the drawing part also. Rajonna, your work. Yes. Okay. It is very good. Yunus also, I'm tell that one. Meharika also, very good. I'm tell you who's there. Anushka, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Anushka, this is your A to Z writing, beta. At today's work, where it is? Deeptangshu, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Deeptangshu Ghosh, I'm giving here another fill in the blanks work, beta. Banishat, very good. Drawing is very good. Orchishman. Okay, now it is very good. Orchishman. Our work is very good now. Very good. Very good. Okay. So, today's class up to this much. Next day again we'll meet and with some new activities. So, still now, tata today. Bye everybody.